Basic structure of the Indian Constitution. Facts about the Constitution of India. It is the supreme law of India. It frames fundamental political principles, procedures, practices, rights, powers, and duties of the government. It is the mother of every other law prevailing in India. Fun fact: the Constitution of India is the world's longest constitution. The basic structure of the Constitution of India was not written in the Constitution itself. It was the Kesavananda Bharati case that brought this doctrine into focus. But the best way to understand the basic structure of the Indian Constitution is to understand the history regarding the debate between Article 13, which says that no law can violate the fundamental right, and Article 386, which discusses about the amendment of the Constitution. The development of the said debate is as follows. Shankari Prasad versus Union of India. It was regarding the first constitutional amendment. The SC contended that the Parliament's power of amending the Constitution under Article 368 included the power to amend the fundamental rights. Article 13 has its power over ordinary law but has no effect on the amendment of Constitution. Sajan Singh vs. State of Rajasthan. It was regarding the 17th constitutional amendment. It confirmed the Shankari Prasad judgment. Golaknath vs. State of Punjab. In this case, the court reversed its earlier stance and stated that the power under Article 386 is not absolute, so Article 13 will come into play while amending fundamental rights. Thereafter, the Government of India had made a tricky move to nullify the effect of the Golaknath case and brought the 24th constitutional amendment. It included Clause 4 in Article 13 and Clause 3 in Article 368, hence making any amendment under Article 386 not restricted by Article 13. Kesavananda Bharati versus State of Kerala. The 13-judge bench was constituted, which is the largest till today. It brings forward the concept of the Basic Structure Doctrine. The SC held that although no part of the Constitution, including fundamental rights, was beyond the Parliament's amending power, but the basic structure of the Constitution cannot be amended. This is the basis in Indian law in which the judiciary can strike down any amendment passed by Parliament that is in conflict with the basic structure of the Constitution. The judgment implied that the Parliament cannot chance the basic essence of the Constitution. Indira Nehru Gandhi v Raj Narain, SC struck down Clause 4 of Article 329A, which was inserted by the 39th Amendment in 1975 on the grounds that it was beyond the Parliament's amending power. Minerva Mills Limited vs. Union of India. The court struck down two changes made to the Constitution by the 42nd Amendment Act 1976, declaring them to be violative of the basic structure. Judicial review is a basic structure and cannot be amended. The judges ruled that a limited amending power itself is a basic feature of the Constitution. Waman Rao vs. Union of India. It drew a line of demarcation as April 24, 1973, that is, the date of the Kesavananda Bharati judgment, and held that it should not have retrospectively effect, but the effect should be prospective in nature. The basic structure of the Constitution of India is as follows. 1. Supremacy of the Constitution. 2. Unity and sovereignty of India. 3. Democratic and republican form of government. 4. Federal character of the Constitution. 5. Secular character of the Constitution. 6. Separation of power. 7. Individual freedom. 8. Rule of law. 9. Judicial review. 10. Parliamentary system. 11. Rule of equality. 12. Harmony and balance between the fundamental rights and DPSP. 13. Free and fair elections. 14. Limited power of the Parliament to amend the Constitution. 15. Power of the Supreme Court of India under Articles 32, 136, 142 and 147. 16. Power of the High Court under Articles 226 and 227.